20 whiplashes, that's the goal. The most I ever did was 12 or 13 by accident. I was trying to do 11 or something. I don't know what it is, I can't count when I do this trick. I think I found a good spot to do it. There's like a little gradual downhill, and I'm just gonna commit to this trick and hopefully it works. If this video is posted, you guys know the deal. If the video is up, that means there's some good news. I don't even know what is gonna happen. I just hope we do 20 plus, whatever. 20 is a number, I'm working for it. Right now we're at this basketball court. People are definitely gonna pull up, so I definitely wanna warm up a little bit here first. Do some whiplash combos, at least like some Quinn whiplashes and stuff like that, just to get used to it. And then we're gonna head to that one area that's kind of near my house to hopefully do a 20 whiplash. So if you guys are watching these videos daily and have notifications on, hope you're enjoying this. Let's get the warm up going. So I have a little bit of a warm-up plan. I want to do 5 whiplashes, but I want to do 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. And I would try to do more. I just don't think I have enough room. They're playing basketball on the other side. So to kind of do more than 5 would be tough. But if I can bang out 5 and feel good, I just got to do that 4 more times. So let's see if we can do a 5 whiplash. Whoa! I was praying that whiplashes would just feel good today, and they don't. I'm hoping that the spot that I go to is just long enough to do them slow, one at a time. I feel like when I do them fast, that makes things very difficult, because then when you do one fast and the second one or the one after comes around way faster. So I'm really hoping that this long block that we find, which we'll just go and do it right now and get it over with, is enough to do 20 whiplashes. Let's go. There's no way that just happened. There's no way that just happened, bro. Oh my God. There's no way. I hope that's 20. I'm losing my voice, holding my breath. Wow, it's done. 21. I don't know what's wrong with me. I can never count properly when I'm doing these tricks. Anytime I have to count whatever I'm doing, I swear I do one less than what ends up happening, which is good. It's a bonus. I'm not really complaining. So we did 21. That's the new Whiplash World Record. If you guys want me to push to go to 30, you can tell me to, but I don't want to. 20 was plenty. That probably, oh, 21. and it took me about maybe 2 hours of attempts, which 2 hours of the same damn trick sucks. Update, I'm gonna be holding a flat jam ride day giveaway kind of get together, most likely in Apex, some kind of flat spot like a hockey rink or something. I gotta do my research. It's gonna be this month, and if I can't find something good in Apex, I do know of a spot in Chapel Hill. It's the hockey rink that you just saw me ride at. But I feel like Apex would be easier because there's more scooter riders there. But just an update, anybody in the area, or if you want to just pull up, keep watching the videos. I'll probably know by the end of this week. Just need to find the right spot. That's what it comes down to. But I have a ton of stuff to give away. Keep watching. Don't flip away. Can I even lift this up? Okay, I can't even lift it up. That's how much stuff I have to give away. Check this out. I have a ton of gear that I want to give away. Just for those who want to pull up for a flat sesh, you get rewarded. Plenty of stuff. I have wheels. I mean, I have older wheels, but I have a bunch of new wheels, ton of grips, decks, and this is a box full of goodies, forks, grip tape, pegs, lots of pegs. So just keep a lookout for an Instagram post, or like I said, later on in the week, I'm gonna be posting up when and where. This month though, 100%, and North Carolina in the Triangle area, 100%. You want to be a part of it? Let me know. And if you're looking forward to some new parts and some giveaways, that's kind of what we're gonna do. Probably try to bring some food and stuff too. It's more of like a hangout, not like a jam ride day best trick kind of thing. And we'll figure out some fun stuff to do. It's a flat thing, so if you want to come ride flat, this is the day for you. And we'll just hang out, eat, give away some stuff, kick it, and just connect from there. Thank you for watching the video. I am done with whiplashes for a while. If you want me to do 30, like I said, I don't know. 30, I need a... No, not happening.